What is intellectual property? The next time you go shopping at a mall, stop and take a closer look. You'll realize that the mall is a hotspot of IP. But what is IP? IP is intellectual property. From the logos of the various brands to the design of the car model you see here, the music that's playing inside this coffee shop to the recipe of their favorite coffee. All of these are protected by intellectual property rights. Intellectual property is the result of intellectual work that leads to creation. It could be a painting, a piece of technology, a piece of music, or even the germ of an idea, and having the right to protect it from being copied. Consider a smartphone. The physical materials required are glass, chips, and some rare earth metals. But IP is the research, branding logos, design of the body, and generally bright ideas that led to the designing and creating of the smartphone. The same applies to the look and feel of things. The buildings we work in were designed by architects and their interiors by a multitude of creators. Thus, they can be protected under IP laws as industrial design. As an entrepreneur, innovation is your sacred strength, and IP laws help protect your power. Having an IP right indicates that you have a plan. It creates confidence in your investors, which could lead to more funding opportunities. It protects you from unfair competition and safeguards your efforts. It ensures that you have a unique brand, differentiating from others. It could even provide additional revenue streams. IP is all around us, and it's important to understand their value. So whether you're a big business or a small startup, remember to safeguard your ideas with intellectual property rights. Protect your idea. Create IP today.